Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today, I'm on the side of this new construction house. Actually, this house is 11 months old. The buyer had me out here to do an inspection before the warranty expires. And we're looking at some vent terminations. This is a bathroom fan here, and then we have some other ones down here that I want to show you. But first thing is, these have all been painted over, so the louvers weren't opening at all. And I went and kind of carefully cut them open so that we could actually get some exhaust out here. But as I was up here doing that, I noticed this. Look at the top of this thing. They left it, shadow's gonna get in the way, but they left this completely open here. And so water can just come down and get right back in here, right inside the wall cavity. Yet that's not good at all, but I got a couple more, so check it out. Here's an example of the other one. See, this one is still sealed shut. This one's partially sealed shut. These are both bathroom exhaust fans. This one is running, obviously some exhaust is getting to the outside, but the hole is entirely too big, and the vent is actually bigger than the board that it's sitting on. So again, creating an opening where insects and other things can get inside the house there, that's not a good situation. This is the dryer termination, and obviously this was probably not helped by the fact that it was painted shut, but it probably got melted a little bit. Anyway, it's been collecting lint, probably because it was painted shut for a while, but you guys walk the outside of your house. If this is on the outside of your house and it's accessible like this, clean it out. You don't want all this here. This is a potential fire hazard. We're gonna put this in the report, and I'm gonna let the homeowner know, because obviously, they live here and it's their responsibility. But get this stuff cleaned out. That way you don't have this type of fire hazard going on in your house. So this is the vent termination for the range hood, and you can see it's got a much bigger pipe in here. The problem I have with it, just kind of like that one over there, it's just the vent termination is entirely too large for this piece of trim board they put here. It's just poor planning all around, and you can see, it's just an unprofessional job, really. So this is the other one that I just cut open. You can see it's got a 4-inch pipe in it. It's just the wrong size vent cover. There's just no reason for this huge vent to be over this 4-inch pipe here. And you can see we have all this exposed siding, and I can see the building sheathing and everything through here. This is just an entry point for insects and other things. Finally, the problem with this 4-inch pipe here is that there is no exhaust coming out of it at all. You can see the louvers are actually open, but there's just no exhaust coming out of it at all. So there's something going on with the exhaust fan. The exhaust fan's not functioning, and so that's the reason why this one's not working properly. One final thing that I wanted to notate: when I was on the ground level over here, I looked up on the roof and I saw what I thought to be a capped plumbing vent stack, and sure enough, that's what it is. Check it out. Here we have 3 vent stacks coming, plumbing vent stacks here, and you can see they're open. This one here has a cap on it. It is not going to do its job like this. Sewer gases need to escape. Air needs to go into the plumbing system, into the drainage system, so things drain properly. And so this cap needs to be removed. I find this kind of thing and more on new construction houses, on 11-month warranty houses all the time. If it's new, if it's old, if you're buying a property, get it inspected. Let us find this stuff for you so the builder can get this kind of stuff corrected before you move in. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go finish up this inspection. Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections, give me a call so I can inspect your next house. Bye now.